What's up, Alex?
Hey guys, Jason with Big Mission Automotive here. This is going to be another customer states video. Our technician is making a cup of coffee, so I'm stepping in for a little bit. Critical part of the diagnosis.
Oh, right?
Yeah. Customer states vehicle is running rough. It in fact is running rough. What we have going on is a cylinder 3 misfire. These engines are prone to valves not seating correctly in the cylinder heads. So we're going to pull cylinder 3 spark plug out. We're going to do a cylinder leak down test. Verify that we either do or do not have a valve sealing correctly. If it's not sealing correctly, I think there's a warranty extension on this. We'll send it down to Mercedes and have a new cylinder head put on.
Sweet.
Now we have to guess the spark plug size, another favorite game. Bet you it's a 16 millimeter 12 point. I am so confident that's the only socket I'm going to grab. It is not. So, because Mercedes has decided to install an intercooler in front of the crank pulley, we were not able to do our cylinder leak down test the way we hoped to. Instead, we swapped coils and plugs between two cylinders to see if our misfire would follow them. They did not. So chances are this is going to need a cylinder head, which makes it a Mercedes problem, not an us problem. But if you need your vehicle diagnosed, if you're interested in finding out if someone else diagnosed it correctly, and you're in the Palmer Lake or Monument area, why don't you come down to Big Mission Automotive and we'll check it out for you.
Sorry, what was that?